easiest way to set up and use Aniyomi app. So if you want to use Aniyomi app, if you want to set up and use it, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply download the application. Once you've downloaded your Aniyomi application, what you need to do is first you need to open the application. It will welcome you. You can just simply go with next. Here you can tap on next, which is on the bottom, and it will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need simply go and select the folder at first, and I'll just simply use the folder, tap on use and then allow, and tap on next, and then install grant the permission. You need to tap on grant, tap on allow. After that, go with next and tap on get started, which is on the bottom. Now you will get this kind of interface, right? Now what you need to do is just simply go with more, which is on the bottom here, and then scroll down a bit and go with settings. Now under settings, you will have browse option, tap on browse. And from browse, you can go with anime extension repos or manga extension repos. So I'll just simply go with anime. And now go back and then open up your browser. You can go with any browser that you're comfortable with. In my case, I'll go with Chrome browser and search for Wotaku extension. Once you've searched, go with the first website that pops up. And now you need to scroll down, and as you can see that you will have anime and manga. So go back and make sure that you're in the anime extension repos. And after that, go back to the browser. And here you need to tap on install. Once you tap on install, tap on add, and it has been added. Now you can go back in the same way. You'll also add the manga extension repos, open it up, go back to the browser, go with the manga section and tap on auto install and tap on add. In this way, you'll be able to use or set up Aniyomi application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.